Guys, welcome again sa BBTV at ngayong gabi ay panoorin natin ang pinakabagong produkto ng Dynamic Options is one of the best products nitong company ng Dynamic Options, ang tinatawag na Body System Equalizer. Okay? In short, BSE. Okay? Kung ka pa sa channel na to guys ay mga reklaman, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Pindutin nyo na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga tutorial na i-upload natin guys. So itong Body System Equalizer guys, company, panoorin natin ang mismong company video presentation ng Body System Equalizer. So hindi natin magtagal guys, let's proceed.
The incredible health benefits of a revolutionary product that has taken the wellness industry by storm. I present to you the Body System Equalizer. Before we delve into the health benefits, let's quickly understand what makes Body System Equalizer stand out. This powerful blend is carefully crafted with a combination of natural ingredients known for their exceptional health-promoting properties.
Now, let's take a closer look at the key ingredients that make up the Body System Equalizer formula. We have the exotic mangosteen, nutrient-packed moringa, the immune-boosting GAANO, vitamin-rich acerola, detoxifying barley grass, the antioxidant-packed buah merah, collagen for skin health, and sweetened with the natural goodness of stevia. Our first superstar ingredient is mangosteen, known as the queen of fruits. Packed with antioxidants, it helps fight inflammation, supports a healthy immune system, and contributes to overall well-being. Next up, we have moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree. Rich in vitamins and minerals, moringa promotes energy, supports brain health, and aids in maintaining healthy skin and hair. GAANO, or soursop, is another gem in our formula. Its powerful compounds have been linked to potential cancer-fighting properties and may aid in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Acerola, a natural source of vitamin C, plays a crucial role in immune support, collagen production, and overall skin health. Barley grass is a detox powerhouse. It helps alkalize the body, supports digestion, and provides a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Buah merah, a red fruit native to the Philippines, is teeming with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, promoting cellular health and overall vitality. Collagen, the building block of healthy skin, hair, and nails, is an essential addition to Body System Equalizer for those seeking beauty from the inside out. And of course, we sweeten the deal with stevia, a natural calorie-free sweetener that adds a touch of sweetness without compromising your health.